Alright, welcome everybody to Mike's Garage. Today on episode 23, Michael's graduation Mustang. Yeah, good for you, boy. Bring me that diploma and this baby is yours. Yes, sir. She needs a lot of work, but she's gonna be beautiful. There's your key. Alright, coming along. What up, people? Day whatever 2. Here we go. Look at that. Big old poop on my Mustang. It's a poopy Mustang. Coming along, peoples. Up late last night. Alright, take 2. My camera turned off. I don't know. Here she is. What's up, people? What's up, people? Go. Let y'all see. Alright. What up? We back. Had to run away and start smoking. I don't know what the hell was happening. Man, this just sounds good. Hey, we're back. Round 2. Alright. Well. Good morning, everybody, and Happy New Year. Fuck me. Shit was all brand new, I swear. And she's telling me she didn't have insurance. I fucking... anxiety, loaded with caffeine, ready to paint a Mustang. Where's my paint? Dude, what's up? We're getting close. There she is. She's the insealer. Alright, we're mixing it up. Yeah, baby, thank you very much. So, here it is. Let's see what you got. Dang, it's almost purple. It's supposed to be red. That is kind of like a lot of red, but it's kind of purple. Look all blurry.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back. We're back, Mom, yeah?
Yep, we're back.
We got that base coat on?
We got that base coat.
Now we only went one coat because that's all Jesus allowed us to go. Oh, there she is. Not too bad for my first time, eh? What's up, y'all? Boy, I am exhausted. I have been working on this thing non-stop, putting it back together. There she is. Dang, y'all. No Mustang shit. I tell you, I've been at this thing all day. I'm exhausted. Holy crap. So, we're at wet sanding process. Get the orange peel out. It's a mess. Again. There she is. All sanded down. I'm exhausted. That shit is a lot of work. Shit, what's up, y'all? Sun came out for a minute. Shit, all week there ain't been no sun, so we out here buffing it, getting it looking all pretty, and the sun came out, so I went and ran and got my camera. Oh, good gracious. I just got done with her and pulled her out. Look at brothers and sisters. Actually, sisters. That's Gladys right there, and that's Foxy. What is up, people? 2021, what a ride. What's up, everybody? First time I got the twins out here for their first suntan.